The Honda XRM 150 is not just another commuter motorcycle. It is a machine designed for riders who face unpredictable roads every day. From smooth city streets to rough village paths, the XRM 150 has built a reputation for reliability, durability, and versatility. In today's detailed review by Autobike Reviews, we explore why the Honda XRM 150 continues to be one of the most trusted underbone motorcycles in its class. Design and road presence. The Honda XRM 150 carries a rugged and adventure-inspired design that clearly separates it from ordinary commuters. Its high front fender, upright stance, and raised ground clearance give it a ready-for-anything look. The slim body keeps it lightweight and easy to handle, while bold graphics add a modern touch without looking overstyled. This motorcycle is clearly designed with functionality in mind, not just appearance. Build quality and durability. Honda is known for long-lasting machines, and the XRM 150 stays true to that legacy. The frame feels solid, the plastics are tough, and the overall construction is made to handle daily abuse. Whether it's heavy loads, uneven roads, or harsh weather, the XRM 150 is built to survive. This level of durability is one of the main reasons Autobike Reviews considers it a dependable long-term motorcycle. Engine and performance. Powering the Honda XRM 150 is a 149cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine designed for smooth and consistent performance. Instead of focusing on top speed, this engine delivers strong low-end torque, making it ideal for city riding, hill climbs, and carrying passengers or cargo. The throttle response is predictable, and the engine remains calm even during long rides. Fuel efficiency and daily use. Fuel efficiency is a major strength of the XRM 150. Thanks to Honda's refined engine tuning, riders can expect excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting. Low fuel consumption combined with a reliable engine makes this motorcycle perfect for riders who depend on their bike every day. This practicality is why it remains popular across many regions. Comfort and riding position. The upright riding posture of the Honda XRM 150 provides comfort during long rides. The seat is well cushioned, offering good support for both rider and passenger. The suspension setup absorbs bumps effectively, especially on broken roads and rural terrain. Even after hours of riding, fatigue is minimal, which is an important factor highlighted by Autobike Reviews. Braking and safety. The braking system on the XRM 150 is simple yet effective. It provides confident stopping power for everyday riding conditions. Combined with stable handling and balanced weight distribution, the bike feels secure even on rough surfaces. Honda's focus on control and stability adds to rider confidence. Maintenance and ownership experience. One of the biggest advantages of owning a Honda XRM 150 is its low maintenance cost. Spare parts are widely available, servicing is affordable, and the engine is known to last for years with basic care. This makes it an ideal motorcycle for budget-conscious riders who still want reliability. Final verdict: why the Honda XRM 150 still matters. The Honda XRM 150 is not about flashy performance or advanced electronics. It is about trust, endurance, and real-world usability. It is a motorcycle that works hard every day without demanding much in return. For riders looking for a dependable, fuel-efficient, and versatile machine, the XRM 150 remains a smart choice. This detailed review was brought to you by Autobike Reviews, where practicality meets honest motorcycle insights.